Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Whew. Welcome. Let's close this. We don't need this. And let's start working. Continue working on this episode. How is everyone? There is music. And let's start working. Start recording. Cycle through all lists and drops. And the skill value from the character. Start recording. Character. Create manager. Character. Hello, deleted code. Welcome to the stream. Character. Get skill. Elements. Ow. That character skill. Welcome to the stream. If you have any questions, go ahead, ask. The skill value from the character. We will need to be able to identify. Okay. Use it to get skill value from the character. So... And use it to get skill value from the hero. Inside the character, we will simply return the skill. Inside the character. First, we will have to get the skill itself from the skill list. Welcome, everyone. Okay. After grabbing the skill class from the skill list, we want to grab we want to return the skill value, and we need to take into account the character ability score. Videos. Character ability score. Skill ability score equals get ability skill ability mod, and the return will be skill dot value new dot get value plus skill ability score dot value score ability score. Is this how I will approach this? Yeah, the problem start to get a little wonky if you want to be specific of what the sources of many values. It's a little more confusing when you cannot tell, oh, this is from ability score, this is from that, and that. How can I approach this? Get value. Okay, over. Public integer get value. Get value. Integer value equals 0. return value plus equals bonus value plus equals is trained okay. We need to take into account the character ability score. So grab the ability score and then hello Sunny Man, and then calculate the total, calculate, and then calculate the value of the skill inside the newly created method. Return the sum, return the bonus. Okay, so grab the ability score, and we need to calculate the truth be told, I'm actually a psychic. Truth be told, this is actually you see, this is actually how I amassed 7,000 subscribers. I appear in people's minds, you know, and I make them click on my channel. Actually, nobody is programmer or want to make video games who follow my channel. Actually, they got implanted with this thought that they want to make video games by me. So yes, this is how I increase the amount of my viewership, by being psychic. By the way, welcome to the stream. How are you today? So grab the ability score. Calculate the value based on the bonus this skill has, and if the skill is trained, return the calculated value. Okay, next time when I appear in your dreams, I will explain it to you. And remember, this is how psychic people works, right? If I did not explain to you, then you haven't believed enough in me. This is why you did not understand it, or you're not enlightened yet enough to understand what I'm saying. You know, I'm creating this unfalsifiability kind of situation where it's like it doesn't matter what happens, I always right. I hope everyone understands this is a joke. This is seriously a joke. Like, just to make sure that everyone don't misunderstand me right now. Hey, you know, sometimes YouTube might not understand jokes. They are really vigilant. Yeah, look, man, I'm sorry, it's just... I heard stories of people joking of being psychic or some stuff like this, and then YouTube is just like, bang! Bang! Gone! The video is flagged. Oh, update elements. In skill panel, we want to update element by creating by the skill value as a parameter. My head is broken. Are you okay? I hope it's only me who broke your heart by apparently not being psychic. That's lie. I am a psychic. That's why you see me in the nights. By the way, Sunny Man, I actually decided to make a gameplay channel. At some point, I will be streaming video games, but like a little. Sub you but Patreon is an optional thing, so don't be you know sorry about this. It's okay. Just you know, if you really want to help, what is mandatory is likes and comments. That's mandatory. But Patreon is, you know, support only if you can. If you can't, no problem. No, not on Spanish. On English. In skill panel, we want to update element by calling and creating a new method called update element as the skill value as a parameter. We want to get in the update element. We will post the skill value into the text object on the element. Realize field, skill, text mesh pro GUI, skill value, text, skill value text dot text equals skill value to string. It's okay. Really, seriously, it's okay. It's not mandatory. This is not like double psychology or some joke. No, it genuinely, it's okay. I am happy that you are here to talk to me while I do this. Seriously, just... Yeah, reverse psychology. Seriously, like, just... I don't know how else I can say it.
Oh god, I need to sneeze. 1 second.
Oh, okay. Turned off my microphone, so do not blow your ears, everyone. Reference inside. Just I have pop filter, but there is no such thing as sneeze filter. Well, there is sneeze filter. It's called mute button. But yes, I do have pop filter. Here it is. Thank you very much. Inside update element, we will post the scale value into the text object on the element. To the text object. The element. Reference the text object in the editor. What can't you afford? Pop filter? Reference the text object of the for the scale value on the object. Good. But on the object, on the element, and don't forget to apply the change to all instances of the prefab. The sneeze filter. Okay. Oh! Unity! Unity, what the... What? What the... Unity just died. Unity just goddamn just died. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Everything alright. Everything alright. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god, I lost so much progress. Oh my. Ah. Oh no. I'm. Oh my. Oh. Ah. Oh my. Ah. Mm. I guess I forgot to save somewhere around. Oh my god, that's so painful. Where are we? Oh, that's genuinely hurts. Mm. Oh god, this hurts. Really goddamn hurts. Mm. Mm. It's okay. It's okay, I will recover it very quickly. Should not take a long time. But it oof. Oof. That was painful. Man. Knowledge Arcana. Lore. Nature. Lore. Religion. Perception. Persuasion. Intimidate. We definitely skipped something. One of the knowledges. Knowledge Arcana. Knowledge World. Lore. Nature. Man. Lore. Religion. Perception. Perception. Persuasion. 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 Intimidate. Man, that was an not fun moment of this evening. Yes, my sneeze destroyed Unity. I infected it with my germs. It's okay, everyone. It was painful, but you know, it happens. You just have to move on. Oh, please just press Ctrl S every time you stretch. Yes. Yep. I'm already pressing Ctrl S like crazy, just. But yes, that's correct. You are correct. 100%. I should have. It's obviously on me. I'm not blaming anyone else except myself. That's genuine right now. Okay. Don't need to apply. Reference the text object for the skill value. Remember that our skill elements are prefab objects. So to not go through each of them. skill element, ability element. Тут you can. I guess you are so sunny. The the light beamed in my eyes, and it blinded me for a moment. And I accidentally destroyed Unity. Hello, Pastor Dummy. Welcome. Are prefabbed objects, so to not go through each of them. And so use let's test. But we accidentally forgot to use ability mode. We accidentally used, but I used ability score instead of ability mode. Inside character simply convert ability score into ability mode. Now start all our skills should be -1. Yes, I probably should add the line where I remind myself. And Pastor Dummy, see you around. The skill element marker should be skill element enum to mark for which element or which skill that each element is responsible. Set the skill element skill enum to mark which skill for which skill each element is responsible. Set skill enum to set the skill element or skill enum. The skill element skill enum to mark for which skill each element is responsible. Whatever, it works. Let's test this. As you can see, it works, but I used ability scope. Okay. Skill. Okay. Okay, seems fine to me. So it now on start all our skills should be -1. Good. Good. Skill training. Test this by moving update panel into the update. Void update panel. As you can see, if I change status of, as you can see, now if I change status of my character, stats, change abilities or skill settings of my character, including trained or untrained, it will reflect on the skill panel. It will be reflected on the skill panel. Good. Skill training. Okay. We are nearly 1 hour in. That's a good point to take a small break and do the stretches and as Sunnyman said, save my project. Look, look at this small star over here. I'm pressing Ctrl and S. Done. It's saved. So it's time for stretches, everyone. Be right back. Oh my god. Oh. Anyway, be right back. Okay, me back. Welcome, Kevin Smelly Basement. That's a funny name. Update element. Public void trained. So now let's make it possible to train the skills. As we have maybe mostly about hypeness, how much hype around something, and partially my personal interests. It's okay, really. Even if I told it many times, it's good to ask again, I would always answer. Let's make it possible to train the skills of the character. To set skills to be trained. Hypeness. Yep. One of the big reasons why we're doing what we're doing right now is, well, hype. This is the other part I mentioned, my personal interest. Here is the thing. I don't like Grand Theft Auto. I just don't like it. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me check something up. How is this working? Okay, let's make it possible to set skills to be trained. So, inside skill UI element, create public method called train. Train. Now we will need to communicate from the skill UI element to the tools to the skill panel that we have pressed the train button. Oh, the most... Well, my personal favorite is Doom, the original one, the good old one. Yeah, I wouldn't say that I like novels. The original Doom, that's one that's one of my personal best. Jagged Alliance 2, XCOM, the original XCOM. Well, I would say Grim Dawn, stuff like this. There's many games I consider like the best. Another game I really enjoy is The Hunter: Call of the Wild. I'm really into it. It's like it's such a relaxation game. Well, I shared mine personal one. Share yours now. The skill panel that we have pressed the train button, and this skill should be marked as trained. No, I disagree. The literal Russian usualness will be Russian fishing or any other form of fishing game, and CS:GO. That's usualness. Okay, Dota 2. That's 3 games which is like, that's it. That's usual Russian. It's okay, I don't take it as an offensive, I'm just joking, I get it. That's usual, but Hunter is a little less usual. But I love Hunter, Call of the Wild. Hunter Call of the Wild is genuinely like my relaxation game. Kill, panel, that, train, kill, character, kill. Character, hit manager, train, kill. So inside skill panel, create reference to the skill. So inside skill element, create reference to the skill panel. Do I even keep doing this, or should I do it properly? Windows. Oh, usual life. Oh, usual life. No, I wouldn't say it's Hunter Call of the Wild, nor it's CSGO. To reflect usual life in Russia as a game. Gothics. Gothics, the original two Gothics. That's a usual life in Russia. So inside skill elements create reference to the skill panel. Sure. Inside skill element create reference to the skill panel. Inside skill element create reference to the skill panel and call train skill on the skill panel. And call and create train skill on the skill panel. Pass which skill are we training as a parameter. Greg game stuff. GG's. Train skill. What, you don't like Greg game stuff? Well, wait, really? But isn't that cool that I picked your idea? Okay. Sure. Thanks. Return skills. Thanks. Get character. Get character skill. So now we need. So now we we need to grab the skill reference from the character. And to do this, we need a new method called getSkill. GetSkill value grab the value of the skill. We want to grab the reference to the skill itself, so we can train it. Return the skill reference from the list based on the past parameter. Skill equals character get skill character skill dot is trained equals true. Is trained back to the skill panel, use newly created method and inverse the is trained value, allowing us to train or untrain the skill. Update the panel to reflect the changes. In Unity, reference the skill panel to the skill elements and open reference make button activate train method on the skill element, and let's test this. Good. Let's make it much clear. Okay. Let's make it much more clear if skill is trained or untrained by changing the caption of the button. Trained text. Who is trained? If is trained, text equals trained. Else untrained. I took a small breather for a second. Needed it by changing the caption of the button. So make the reference to the caption text. Then in update element. Yes, Sunnyman. Then in update element, your favorite food. What is my favorite food? Sushi. That's it. Sushi. Yeah. Sushi. Date element. We will pass is our skill is trained. If it is trained, set the skill to be, set the value to be 1. Set the text to be trained. If skill is not trained, set it to be untrained. All kinds of sushis, rolls, sushis, everything. Yes, so it means both rolls and sushi. But yes, I love them. Yes, I agree, but I think it's just simpler to unite them into one group because they often are sold at the same place. Like, yeah, I understand it sounds weird and kinda, you know, not professional, but you get what I mean. But yeah, I think I often muddle them together, rolls and sushi together. And yes, I like both. If there is one food I can eat for the rest of my life, it will be sushi. I wish I can taste a real sushi. Actually, I agree. Oh my god, my mouth is moisturing right now. No, I'm not offended. I'm not. I understand. I never stepped outside of my country. Like, okay, I stepped outside of my country, but India is not the place which produce Japanese sushi. I'm trained. Oh, I'm not hungry. It's just I haven't eaten sushi in a long time. Money? Will you be saving? What do you mean, will I be saving this tutorial? This tutorial will be a large video. This streams will be edited into one large video with narration and explanations. So yes, you will be able to see this tutorial later on my channel. limit it. We want to limit it to some amount. It to some. We want to limit the amount of skills player can train. Mhm. Okay, so we want to limit it somehow. How and where are we gonna limit it? Where's want to limit the amount of skills player can train. But right now you can train as many skills as you want. We want to limit the amount of skills player can train. Ow. Ah. We want to limit the amount of skills player can train. Where should I place this limiter? Here? Or here? Once again we hit a small wall. How is it done in Pathfinder? Yes, it's Dungeon and Dragons Dragons 5, 5th edition. 5th edition. Skill. Train. Skills. I am reading on the skills in Dungeons and Dragons. How do I calculate my skill modifier? Is there like a wiki for Dungeons and Dragons? I don't get it. Wiki skills. A skill represents a specific and mastery of... Okay. So... A character's starting skill proficiency and ranks are determined in the monster stat block. Skill by ability. Skill description. On untrained. Okay. Google. Dungeons and Dragons. Dragons. 5th edition skills. But practical way to practical skill checks. Skill proficiencies in Dungeons and Dragons. 5 SRD skills. Over complete. Each ability covers a broad. For example, a dexterity check might reflect a character attempt to pull. Yes, so a character who had proficiency to making and hiding. Skill related, okay. Skill with different abilities. Passive checks. I start to feel like I should just download the goddamn... How many skills can I have in Dungeons and Dragons 5? It's been like a month now, but only quick mouse, and I have spent 2 years to make it completely. At first. It's been like... By the way, I'm creating a mode for Gerard. Okay, I see what you mean. I were confused about like 5% has been done. Sounds fun. You like Terraria? Ooh, boy. How many skills can be trained? D&D 5th edition. How many basic rules for skill proficiencies? Skill proficiency bonus. Character have a proficiency determined by level as it remains to be stopped. Not a single roll die. Say you can add your proficiency bonus to a wisdom saving throw. You nevertheless add the bonus only once when you make this save. Occasionally your proficiency bonus, ability checks. Typical difficulties. Contests of. Okay, each ability covers a broad range of capabilities. For example, yeah, but how do you passive working together using each ability? But how many do I have? Start to feel like it will be easier to just open the at first, not much. First call fire within. I see. I see. If you like the idea, why not try to implement it? Um, athlete. Okay. Dungeon. Dragons. 5th edition. Player handbook. You know what? A stretch break, everyone. I need a small break. And we will continue. Save time. Of course, save time. Stretch break. Hello, hello, I'm back. Character details. Spell lists. Okay, S. I see S. Saving throw. Cool. Second shadow, shark. Skill check. See ability check. Okay. Oh my god, it's so slow. Ability check. Ability scores, advantage. Ability score. Ability check. Here. Inversion to replaying. Ability checks are key in determining the outcome of an interaction. Certain NPC attitude, but there might still be a limited chance. When skill proficiency or how you want to interact. Okay, but sure, but what is the skill proficiency? How do I determine how many of them I have? Oh god. Skill pro skill proficiencies. Choose two of your skill proficiencies. Other proficiency. You can choose another. Skill proficiencies. Okay. Skill proficiencies. Okay. So insight religion. Fine. That's fine. But deception sleight of hand. Okay. Deception cells. So skill proficiencies are based on the background in animal handling, insight persuasion, medicine religion, history persuasion, athletics survival, arcana history. Wait, but is there like a good ability proficiencies? Okay, how about we just look like this? Dungeon and Dragons 5th edition character sheet. Images. Arcana, deception, history, perception, persuasion, religion, sleight of hand, their survival. Proficiencies. So okay, let's see how it's done on Bring It On. He started doing this game. Bring It On. Bring It On. Baldur's Gate. episode 0. Okay, so we're on the channel of Bring It Down guy. Here, let me show you. Can I show his channel name? Oh my god. Here. Here's his channel name. Okay. Blah blah blah. Story, I don't care. I don't care about the story. Okay, so this is how they do this stuff. So they choose a race, the class, OS, the subclass, sure, background. Okay, the background determine what skills you have, yeah. They don't choose they don't choose it by like training them. They determine by background, and then you. Okay. So they have 5 proficiencies. Okay. What did he code it? I am coding the Dungeon and Dragon style character generation. He's not gonna change them, right? Rival. Intimidate. So it's like really simple. And if you click on this, so you will have like 5 of them. Okay. Okay, fine. We will do it like this. Fine, let me close all unnecessary window. Skill panel. Okay. And now let's say start recording. Open the skill panel. This can be train. Let's open the skill panel. And let's say each player character can have up to 4 skills marked as trained. Integer trained equals 4. If skill dot is trained equals false, is trained equals false, and trained more than 0 true. Trained -1. Oh. If skill is trained equals true, skill is trained equals false, trained plus equals 1. Plus equals 1. Okay. The process is simple. The process is simple. Make the counter for allowed skill count. Allowed count of trained skills. Then inside trained skill check. If trained more than 0, skill is trained equals trained -1. Else skill is trained equals false, trained plus equals 1. Mm-hmm. Let's test this. Now I should only be able to mark 4 skills. Should be able to unmark. Then inside train skill check if the skill is not trained. In that case, if we have trained points available, that the skill to be trained and decrease the amount of trained points. Then otherwise if skill is trained, set it to be trained. Set it to be untrained and increase count of available skills to train. If we have skills to train, points available skills to train. Set the skill to be trained and decrease the amount of trained point the amount of otherwise if skill amount. Take a shot every time I say skill. Don't. You will die of alcohol poisoning. Okay. Right now, every skill can be trained by every character. But we want to limit the skills which character can train based on the class your player is speaking. Okay. So, for example, warrior can pick up athletics, proficiency, but cannot pick up lore, like knowledge skills, as an example, just as an example. Just as an example. Okay. How can we approach this? By every character. This can be done. Skill that can be trained. If can be trained equals false. Oof. That's low ball low. Welcome, Winter, to the stream. How are you today? Good, helping people is a good idea. For example, warrior can pick up athletics proficiency, but cannot pick up knowledge skills, just as an example. Everything can be thrown by everybody. Big. I want to limit the skills which character can train based on the class you player is picking. So for example, warrior can pick up. So inside the element, inside the skill panel, we want to pass to the element, can this skill be trained? If it can be trained, set the button to be then inside the element we will make button visible if the skill can be trained. Now if we launch the game, you will see no buttons, because by default all skills are set to be untrainable. So let's mark some skills in default list as trainable. Good. As you can see, now our skills can be trained. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Oh my. Good. Multi tab UI. Oh, yeah. We're so close to be done, yet so far away. Out of curiosity, let me check something. I control C this. Boom, boom. Ooh, 16 pages, Jesus. This video is already longer than grid inventory. The Okay, so now we will be dealing with multi-tab UI. Oh my god, that's actually good. Mhm. So, how can we approach this multi-tab UI? We have two different windows to set up our character. One window set up the skills, other set up the ability score. We want to make it possible to switch between those two windows. Oof. Okay. Okay. Small breather has been taken because I were a little. We have two different windows. to set up our character. One window set up the skills, other set up the ability score. We want to make it possible to switch between those two windows. And the simplest way to work, for some reason, this streamlined in for why no reason. Welcome to the stream, Vinso del Valle. Welcome. I am programming stuff. It's a little boring, you know, it's just programming. Are you a subscriber to my channel, or is it really just a random stream suddenly showing up in your recommendations? Multitap UI. Music manager stats. Well, Winter is I know who you are, but Vince Del Val, I don't remember. Maybe you've been here before. I don't remember. I'm sorry. I have bad memory for people. I'm sorry. But anyway, it's beyond the point. Welcome. We have two different. So. Possible. We want to make it possible. Make two buttons. The simplest approach is to just make two buttons and disable the panels. Open ability core panel, ability score button, score panel button. Always I have to what you were doing for a bit. Anyway, I have to go. Good luck! Winter, good luck. Just to make buttons enable the disable panels. To make sure the panels to give some space to the buttons. We will have to resize or move some content to fit our UI on the screen, and then we will have to move stuff around. We can simply enable and disable panels. But our changes on ability panel will not be reflected on skill panel until we train, or until we click on train button. An easy fix. We need to call update panel every time we enable the panel. Good. Oof. Good. Anyway, a stretch break, everyone. Let's take a small 5-minute stretch break. We did a good progress. We're actually on the road tonight to finish this. Hallelujah. Anyway, stretch break, everyone. Move. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue. Let me quickly check. Is everything alright on Discord? Everything seems fine. Окей. Знаешь, что меня больше всего поражает? Окей. Good. Окей. Okay. Good. So, creation of the character. Step creation. Step by step. Character creation. So, character creation can be split into steps you follow. First you pick one thing, then you set other thing, etc. So steps can be split into steps you follow. You pick your race, your class, your race, your ability score, your skills, your feats, and spells, if applicable. So when you generate character, we can limit play. We have to limit. We can limit the player actions. Player based on the completed steps. Based on the completed steps. If player haven't picked his class, he can't choose his skills. If player he can't choose, as an example. Чё ж так тут такой-то? Uh-huh. Mail. Very quickly. I need to check something. Something mailed me something. Okay. No reply. Okay. That's irrelevant. So. Let's introduce use a continue button to the panels. Then in create character create manager we will create a new enum called character generation step. Then in character create manager we will create a new enum called public enum character create step. Right now. Welcome, Kevin Smelly Basement. Welcome back, actually. I remember you being here before. Right now, we have 3 steps in our character generation. Ability score, skill, and then conclusion. Ability score, skill, conclusion. So before picking up skills, Oh, you work on the videos? Are you an YouTuber? Hoping to be. Good luck. You will need it. Not right now. I'm working on my own stuff, so I'm a little busy. But later on, I can check it later. Sure. Uh, okay. Thank you. I'm going to work on the game. Good luck with the game. Conclusion. Oh my god, I'm still recording. That's a long waste of time. Okay. Actually, for simplicity... Wait. This is only in, right? Yes. Delete this. Let's delete this. And let's re-record. Ability score. Skill. Conclusion. Okay. Okay. Conclusion. Ability score, skills, conclusion. Right now we have 3 steps. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right now we have 3 steps in our character generation, ability score, skill, and then conclusion. Until we are done with ability score, we don't want our player be able to set up his skills. So let's create a new, let's create a, so inside character create, set the public character create step. on awake, it will be step equals the step ability score. At the beginning, we will set it up to be ability score. Inside character create manager, create step variable representing at which step of the character creation our player is right now. Whew. Okay. In the beginning, okay. Right now we have 3 steps in our character generation: ability, score, skill, and then conclusion. So, and then we want to introduce, then based on the step we are taking, we want to unlock the window for our player. So when the player is setting his abilities, we want to unlock that window for him. We want to unlock ability window for him. Right? All right. Show ability. Show window. Wait. Unlock step ability score. So create and call a new method called unlock step. Unlock step. Pass the step we want to unlock as a parameter. Then inside this method we will unlock the button and show the window. Oof. Inside this method, we will unlock the button and show the window of that step. Mhm. I am. It's rainy over here. Good. It's actually rainy in my area today. Oh, yeah, that sounds rough. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Inside this method, we will unlock the button and show the window of that step. But how? Like I'm a little stopped right now. Stumped, dare I say. Huh. Hmm. So we need to associate. So we need to reference which button and which window is associated with which step. With which step. Public plus step UI step container UI character gen step container. Public game object window public game object button. Hmm. Okay. Done. Mm. I missed games. Inside this method, we will unlock the button and show the subunit reference which create class called UI character. Then yep. Inside store reference to the window and button of the step. This identifier of the step. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. With identifier of the step. Mark it as serializable. Create list of those containers inside character create manager. UI steps. Huh? Character create step. Create step. dot button equal set active b from. UI steps. Integer. What social media do you use the most? Discord. Just Discord most of the time. I got harassed off the Reddit and I don't like Twitter. Just Discord. As I said, I got harassed of the Reddit, so I don't go on Reddit. Yeah. No, I don't like Twitter. I find Twitter cringe. It's somehow a place where everyone find a way to scream at each other for no reason. No, I find social media is a poison. Every time when I used Reddit or Twitter, they only make me depressed. So no, I think it's not an advantage in life. It's a poison in life. Is because okay, sure. If you can use it and stay sane, then power to you. But I avoid the Twitter like a plague. Character inside. Unlock step. Let's show the button and the window. Well, here, let's create a new I don't know.
I I literally seen people on Twitter saying that their child have leukemia, and some shithead in comments is like, skill issue. So no, I don't find it. I find social media weird at the very least. At the worst, I think it's extremely toxic. Well, it was to emphasize the point, dude. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do that again. It just to demonstrate the idioticity of that point. You know what I mean? Inside unlock step. Let's show the button and window of the step we are unlocking. Okay. Okay. I feel a little... We need to take a small stretch break, everyone. I need to marinate my thoughts about this. And we will continue. So, you know everyone what to do. Move, move, move. Move your body. Hello everyone. Hey, Sunny Man. Are you out like if you are out like bye, then goodbye. See you later. If you're out like see ya, like oh you're on a stretch break, then yeah, I'm back. Okay, let's continue. Ow. So I marinated this a little in my head. This. And I think this is fine for now. Now we need to introduce a new public method called advance step. A new public method called advance step. Inside, we will advance a current step to a next step. To do this, to make it more clear, let's rename the current step into the current step. Then UB equals step plus 1. Current step equals step unlock step we can then we can advance the step by simply iterating it by 1, then unlock the next step and assign next step as current step. I am Okay. I'm a little scattered right now. Getting a little tired. It's okay. Oof. Recording. So now we need to call this advanced step. So now we need to call this advanced step method when your character, when your player is done dealing with the current step of character generation. Okay, have to do this. This one is unnecessary. Oh my god. I'm just looking at how much editing I have to be doing. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's gonna be painful. It's already 300 clips. And it can be easily even more. Oh my god. It's gonna be painful. It's gonna be very, very painful. Don't overwork. Yeah, there is definitely. It definitely wasn't a good idea, I think, to just try to make it as one giant video. But at this point, it's like, that's it. It's inevitable. You have to. Yes. But you can still overstretch it. Get it. I'm just realizing how much editing it will be. It's not even the problem of work, it's just editing. Editing will be just, it will be painful. What the f... Mm-hmm. Let's find this. Yeah, this is definitely not how it should work. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Advanced step. Yeah, I'm getting a little stumped. Yeah, I think light crossing, bro. Ah. Okay. I think I'm a little. What do you think is okay? I am just. I think I start to get. If everything is going. Sure. I feel a little stumped up again. It's sometimes it happens, you know. Sometimes you just sit there and just start to stare like blankly into the screen. Like that's it. You out. You don't know how to proceed, what to do. Just it happens occasionally. Uh, the issue is we need to check if the completed step should be advancing the character creation steps. Like, if you come back to the previous step and want to try to advance it, it's like it's still gonna be advancing it unnecessary. That's the error. Complete. If complete, if step equals current step, advance step. Then create new public method called complete step. Pass the step you just completed as a parameter and check if the step you completed is equal to the current step. If it is equal to current step, advance call advance step. Call advance step. So when you are making changes, so when your player is creating character, he will be advancing steps. When step and we only now we need to call this advanced step method. Ow, ow. Ah, I just kicked my table. I'm sorry. Now we need to call this advanced step method when player advanced step method when the current step is being completed. So create a new method complete step. Other step and check if the step is completed is equal to the current step. If it is equal to current step, call advanced step. Okay. You are plush. I am plush. I'm actually a teddy bear. Russian teddy bear. Call advance step. So now when player is working with his character generation, we are supposed to call this. We're supposed to call this so now when player is working with this character generation, so now we need to call this methods when player is advancing through his character generation. To do this, and you can technically do it like this. Oh my. Character create. Advanced. Continue for next game. What game do you want me to guide? Let me know. I'm open for ideas. I'm always open for more ideas. Like this. But it starts to get a little hard to maintain, so you will have to maintain. So you create manager every time. Ah, Five Nights with Greg. Sure. Sure. But start to get a little hard to maintain. Our having to repeat our steps for each our setup, our set, having to repeat our setup for each panel. Instead, even if we open ability panel, script and skill panel, we will notice a lot of similarities between those two scripts. In programming, there is a concept called don't repeat yourself. I don't want to repeat our code, which is functionally the same. There is a principle. We don't want to repeat our code, which is functionally the same. This will help with maintenance and speed of development. This will help with future maintenance. So let's character generation panel. So select ability and skill panel and introduce character generate panel script. Okay. 3 a.m. and I'm starting to feel a little sleepy. Hey, you should go sleep because I think I will be over soon. Because like I'm start to feel a little burned out myself. So I might end the stream like in maybe an hour maximum. So you will not miss a lot. Honestly, I think, you know what? That's a good point. Let's take a break for at least for now. Oh, I am burned a little. I need to take a break too. So, thank you very much everyone for showing up. Let's see you next time. Maybe it will be today, maybe we will continue tomorrow. Good night everyone.